Okay, here's the aftermath of the snow. You can kind of see on the palm tree. I'm sorry, I gotta stand underneath here. It's raining. I think we went down to about 33, and you can see kind of the fog slash clouds, and it's raining, and it's supposed to be a real soaker today. So I was surprised to actually see some of the snow remaining. Maybe we actually got a reasonable amount last night overnight, I'm not sure, but the rain is really coming down. It's supposed to be a real soaker again. We got flood watches and everything going on, so let me just show you real quick. Just trying to cover my phone with my hand. There you go. And I already see pooling down there from all the water. So we'll be back mucky again in no time.